Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm a postdoctoral fellow in the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. And today I'm going to be showing you the Glute Bridge from the ACE Home-Based Maintenance Program. The Glute Bridge is an excellent exercise that works the core of the body. So where you'll be feeling this is in the core, so you might feel it through the front of the body, the abs, as well as the glutes and the buttocks. I'm going to show you a couple different levels, different modifications that you can do with your glute bridge today. And so just choose the one that feels right for you, as always. And if you have any questions about the exercises you see, make sure that you contact the ACE team at ace@ucalgary.ca. And we do have a disclaimer on our website, so make sure you head over there and check that out before you do any of the exercises that you'll see here. All right, so let's get into our glute bridge. So you'll come to lie down on the floor, on a mat. You'll bring the feet about hip width distance apart, knees bent to about 90 degrees. I like a good rule of thumb here is to let the fingertips almost just graze the heels. Then you'll bring the arms alongside the body. You want there to be a nice long straight line from the crown of your head, so the top of your head, all the way down your spine center line. Then we'll take an in-breath. And as we exhale, we'll squeeze the glutes together, we'll send the hips up, we'll engage the core by hugging the belly button in, everything hugs in. And this is where we can stay. So you can choose to stay here for 45 seconds, or you can lift and lower the hips and do 10 to 15 repetitions. So it would be 1, 2, just like that. You could also try lifting the hips and bringing the hands up to the roof. So same thing here, you could stay for 45 seconds, or you could lift and lower the hips. From there, if you're feeling like you still want a little bit more of a challenge, another option is to do our single leg kicks. Full disclosure, this is my least favorite of the glute bridge modifications, so let's do this right now. We've got it. Hands trapped beside the body, take an in breath, and as you exhale, send the hips up. From here, you're gonna get really light onto the right toes, and then you'll lift the foot completely, extend it straight out, bring it right back down, and then you'll do the same thing on the other side. So you can continue alternating for 45 seconds, or you can do 10 to 15 reps. Oh, okay. So once you're done with those glute bridge modifications, if you have an exercise ball at home, and if you want a little bit more of a challenge or just to try something different, we can do our glute bridge from a ball. So to do that, once more, you're going to come down to lay on your back, and you're going to bring your calves up to the ball. Hands will track beside the body, and just as we did before, we'll take a nice deep inhale, and as we exhale, we'll squeeze the glutes, squeeze the buttocks, send the hips up. You can choose to stay here for 45 seconds, or you can lift and lower the hips just like we did before, finding your glute bridge from ball pulses. Another option is to do a glute bridge with a hamstring curl using the ball. So we'll take an in-breath, and as we exhale, we'll lift the hips, get nice and strong and stable here, squeeze everything in, take an in-breath, and then as you exhale, we'll just bring the ball in, squeeze the ball in, and then straighten the arms, or straighten the legs back out. So same thing here, you can choose to do this for 45 seconds, or you can do 10 to 15 repetitions. When we bring the hamstring curl in, it changes slightly in that we're going to feel it a little bit more in the backs of our legs or our hamstrings. And there you go. That's your glute bridge and a bunch of different modifications. Enjoy!